Hey there! If you're starting to notice fine lines, dullness, or that your skin just doesn't bounce back like it used to, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into natural, effective ways to reduce facial aging, without breaking the bank or booking endless dermatology appointments. Stick with me till the end. I've got a bonus tip that's making waves in skincare right now. Let's start with the basics. What causes facial aging? Sun exposure is the #1 culprit. UV rays break down collagen and cause pigmentation. Lack of hydration makes skin appear saggy and lifeless. Stress and poor sleep trigger inflammation and accelerate fine lines. And of course, diet and pollution play a major role too. But don't worry, natural solutions are not only possible, they're powerful. 1. Hydrate inside and out. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily and use a natural moisturizer. Hydrated skin is firm, plump, and radiant. 2. Antioxidant-rich foods, think berries, leafy greens, nuts. These fight the free radicals that speed up skin aging. 3. Gentle facial cleansing. Use a mild cleanser to remove dirt and pollutants. Your skin repairs best when it's clean. 4. Facial massage and yoga. Simple facial exercises increase blood flow and muscle tone, naturally lifting your face over time. 5. Use nature-powered skincare. Look for products with retinol, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and botanical extracts, ingredients your skin will love. And here's what's helped me and thousands of others. Liomen Prime Skincare Anti-Aging Cream. This cream is packed with peptides to trigger collagen, naturally retinol to smooth lines and renew skin, hyaluronic acid to hydrate deeply, botanical extracts that soothe and restore. It's non-greasy, fast-absorbing, and made specifically for men's skin. You can use it morning or night, and you'll start seeing visible results in just a few weeks. I've placed the link in the description so you can check it out. If younger-looking skin matters to you, this is worth every drop. Remember, aging is natural, but how you age is up to you. Take care of your skin today, and it'll thank you tomorrow. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real practical skincare tips, just for men. Check out the Liomen cream in the description and start your transformation today.